arrive on the scene.
What inspired me in the hobby? Well, it all started with a 2-foot tank in 1995. A tank much like this one. It had a under gravel filter and 2 corner sponges. It was a guppy tank, and it was a kit that I found in my dad's. It had stored for years. From then, I was moved to William, other places along the way, but in 1998 I finally went to William and ended up with a 3-foot tank like this, inspired by a bloke named Jeff Turner. G'day Jeffro. He had all full of rocks and electric blues and electric yellows from Africa. I ended up in my 3-foot with angels. It was a planted tank, ghost knights, a lot of neons and nano fish. Ones like black widows, tiger barbs. You didn't like them, they were fin nippers. Yeah, all a little mixed community. And then one day it happened, I found an Oscar. After 4 days of looking at it, I threw this baby Oscar in the tank, and as you can imagine, carnage. And I was from that, I fell in love with Oscars in about 1999. Ended up moving up tanks. So, up until the day I am now, with other species, your red terrors, your North Americans, your centrals, your VJ syncyspellums, your hybrids, into Australian natives, Murray cod, and barramundi. So yeah, I'd have to say Oscars, mate. My dad's 2-foot tank, and then Jeff Turner getting me into fish, into the community angels, but Oscars have done it for me.